The National Weather Service in Charleston has extended the flash flood warning for Boyd County in Kentucky, Carter County in Kentucky, Greenup County in Kentucky, and western Lawrence County in Ohio, until 5:45 a.m. Wednesday. At 11:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated 1 to as much as 2 inches of rain have fallen over portions of the area from storms earlier this evening. While streams and smaller creeks may have begun to recede, additional storms upstream will move into the area, renewing the threat for additional flash flooding. Locations in the warned area include Canonsburg, Ashland, Olive Hill, Grayson Lake State Park, Grayson, Carter Caves State Park, Lake Vesuvius, Ironton, Coal Grove, in addition, Jessling, Naples, Old Town, Lode, Letitia, Greenbow Lake, and Greenup. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall over the next several hours will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape floodwaters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to travel across flooded roads. Find alternate routes. It takes only a few inches of swiftly flowing water to carry vehicles away. Please report high water to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free, area code 877-633-6772, when you can do so safely.